We got to get back and figure out what we're going to do for the intros of these Antler Anchor videos.
New text message from Russ Winkleman. How about for the intro we do something simple like brought to you by AntlerAnchors.com.
What we just had happen here is it was basically a blizzard out. So much snow was coming down I couldn't even see the woodchuck through the scope way down there. It calmed down a little bit and we got a good shot on him, and I think he's down, but we're gonna go check it out. I can't fucking see him through the snow.
I know it. I'm looking at the camera and I'm like, I can't even see him. He's still there. Right in that corner.
I'm telling you, I can't see him through the fucking snow.
Yeah, he's right there. Right on that corner.
Crazy, I can barely see him now.
I know it. Well, yeah, I mean, look at the camera. It's completely white.
I'm like looking through there, like, well, I can't see anything. I couldn't even see the tree line.
You got him. Did you get him? Yep. He's running. He's flopping. Gonna hit him again. Hit him again.
Alright, we found him. Target down. Now we're going to give him the old flippity flop. And I got a feeling it's going to be nasty. But we'll check it out. This is an official confirmed kill. First woodchuck of the season. In a blizzard. You got to love that. We're getting the hell out of here. Don't forget to visit AntlerAnchors.com for all your antler anchoring needs. Let's go see if we can find Winkleman.